Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share and smash that subscribe button? It helps other people know when they post videos. Well, this is just an update as to what's going on and everything. Well, I've had some really bad issues with my feet walking, and I had to temporarily suspend work for a couple of days at least, maybe a little bit longer than that. Went to the dermatologist yesterday afternoon. She was able to squeeze me in, and I got really dry, cracked, bleeding, bloody feet. And she gave me this stuff over here. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but it seems to be helping a little bit. And actually, let me flip this around this way so you can see. Okay. And it's kind of like Vaseline, and but it's got some chemical in it there that's kind of like soothing the pain of the dry, cracked, bleeding feet. Now I'm going to insert a photograph of the photo she took yesterday of my foot, and what she was concerned about, and I was concerned about, and my supervisor was concerned about, was that black spot where the split is, and I hope that's not an infection where they can't not get rid of it, otherwise I'm going to wind up losing my leg. So let's hope for the best, and see what happens. But in the meantime, we're going to keep pushing on and get out there the best we can and take it easy with my feet. And today is Tuesday, it is the 14th. And it's snowing out in our city. Okay, and that's a car getting stuck outside in a yard. And it's supposed to be getting 14 to 18 inches of heavy wet snow. It's been snowing out all night, and we already got about 4 inches of snow according to the local news agency that came down from Boston covering our city this morning. And, we're going to just take one day at a time as God gives it to us. And hopefully the next day would be better than the previous day. The little cat update, she's going to be going to the vet tomorrow. They have her nails clipped and the shots taken care of, the rabies shots and anything else that she needs. And if I can get her taken care of as far as being fixed goes, if she's old enough, I'm going to have that all taken care of tomorrow. And that little meow was her meowing at my door because she wants to get in, and she's got a little problem this morning. Yeah, you guys all know what it is. I have a kitten. It's called this. She's got a nose problem. She wants to get into everybody else's business. And again, there's a cute little saying that curiosity killed the cat, and she keeps it up, and she's going to wind up down that path because she's getting into everything. So, trying to keep the house childproof for the kitty, and she's all right. But I bought this book yesterday at CVS when I got that medication, Eggs. It's got a lot of great recipes, all egg recipes, and they look pretty interesting. And a lot of them, they're all low-carb keto, anything with eggs, really, even if you use white bread, as long as you're careful on the carbs. So we're definitely going to be making these recipes because I want to go on an egg fast next week. My weight's been picking up again because I've been very depressed with my feet because I like to get out there and do some walking, and right now everything's on hold for my walking and my job. I got a good paycheck coming in this week, but that's going to be it. I'm not going to get another paycheck for another week or so. So I went in yesterday and I talked to my supervisor, and he showed him a photograph, and he said, "Yeah, I need you to get that taken care of before we can let you go back to work." And they're going to hold my job for me, and I'm thinking about moving out of the department that I'm in and going to the maintenance, even though I didn't want it at the very beginning, because the job that I'm doing, the picker job, is constantly moving on my feet there. Even though the maintenance job would be, but it wouldn't be quite on the go all the time. But I could just kind of like, take out the trash and stuff like that. And, I know what the maintenance area is about. And if I can get the same 2 days I'd like to have off, which I'm not getting right now, off and talk to the supervisor in that department, and see what happens and see where it goes and see if I like that job any better. But I'm just still thinking about that. I don't know yet. But I'm just glad that they're holding the job for me and not going to hold this against me. And, I have to take care of my health. And, so I've been on my videos that I've been putting up. I've been going through some of my older drives. And so how I did it at the very beginning, I saved all my original videos and any music that I used and any of that stuff in folders. Had it marked off as week 1 through 134. And there was some weeks where I did like 8 video vlogs in 1 week. Some of them posted, some of them never got posted. So I'm going through, I'm reorganizing it and posting up older ones and some other ones that never got posted. So I hope you enjoy all those videos I've been putting up. And I'm also going through some older cooking videos that I did. The same thing, never got posted. Re-edited them, and if I don't like them, then I'll just refilm it over again. But be watching for some of these recipes because they look pretty amazing. Let me put my glasses on for a minute, and okay, so give you for instance, I'm showing you some different like hard-boiled eggs and what you can do with some hard-boiled eggs. Really easy peeling, and easy peeling is easy peasy. This is the pot. This is my central heating system going on because it is cold today. And the light's been flickering off and on all morning. So we have one roasted tomato chilaquiles. I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? I mean, I can recreate these recipes with no problem. But what I'm basically going to start off with next week when I start my egg fast again, these are some egg desserts. I mean, how cool is that, right? So what I'm going to start doing is next week, I'm going to when I go on an egg fast, I'm going to do this for about a week and see what happens, and let it keep going with that. You got sausage, asparagus, French toast, baked. I mean, I could convert that all over to low carb. That's it's very easy to do. And what I'm going to do is when I make this, when I follow the recipe, I'll take a snapshot of the recipe itself and put it on the timeline so you'll be able to follow along. But and I got this book, by the way, at CVS yesterday when I went to go pick up my medication. So this is definitely going to be doing the recipes with that book, and because I love eggs, but just eating plain eggs, butter and cheese when I'm doing the egg fast, it's kind of like it gets monotonous after a while, and it's predictable. So, anyways, I'm gonna try it and see what happens, and I'm gonna get ready to get going, finish my coffee, and take care of my kitty cat, and she's been a little. Again, a little pain, but she's going through stages. She's got some huge fish hooks, I call them, and I got battle wounds all over my hands from her. So tomorrow she goes to the veterinarian, and then we'll make regular appointments with her every 4 to 5 weeks to have her nails done, because I don't want to go through this. And she's clawing up everything right now because she's still teething and biting and all that stuff that comes with having a kitty. So if you guys, oh my goodness, that was my cat there. She's throwing stuff at my door. Wow. She wants to get in my room. So anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. You guys have an amazing day. Don't forget to comment on my video. Check out, look under my foot there. Tell me what you think that is. I'm gonna have them check me out for bone spurs, and abscess and gout, and if I can, I hope I can get some answers, because if I don't, I'll go see somebody else. But I'm gonna let you guys go. You guys have an amazing week. I gotta go take care of my cat, and her name is Oreo, by the way, and she really wants to get in bad. So anyways, have a great day, guys. Love you guys. Stay safe. Stay vigilant. Remember, I love you. God loves you. Have a terrific day.